Okay, so this is quite embarrassing, but it is what it is. We cook in this thing, and it's just gross. I need to clean it. It is very, very old, and it needs to be replaced. I just don't want to spend the money on it right now unless I have to. Like, we have this little thing right here that's supposed to hang off the side, and it just flops in the wind. I need to ask my husband if he can figure out how to get that to stay back up there with some kind of metal or something. I'm going to take these outside and clean them. I have the fume-free spray for inside, and then I have the other one that I can use on these outside. So I'm going to take these outside and spray them really good. And then I'm going to take, let me show you up close. I mean, this is just so nasty. Yeah, so we're going to try to take care of this today. This is so embarrassing. But I know somebody else out there has an oven that looks just like this. So here's what I have. I have the Easy Off fume free, and then my husband picked this up for me one night when we were working on trying to strip some furniture. This Homeline heavy duty oven cleaner. I don't know how well this works, but if I don't have enough of this once I spray in here, then I'll use the other one outside. But we're gonna get this good and sprayed real quick so that this has time to just be sitting. Let me read the instructions. I don't think you turn the oven on or anything. Spray in cold oven. Okay. And this does have a self-cleaning cycle thing on it, but we tried to use that before, and it like got our oven so hot that it quit working. And my dad came over here and they worked on it, and literally the only thing that got it working again is he started beating on something and made it work again. So we don't do the self-cleaning thing anymore. It says to wait like an hour and 15 minutes or something like that. We'll probably wait a little longer than that, but let's get started. And I'm going to spray this very liberally and it says fume free, but I'm very sensitive to cleaners, so I'm about to put a rag over my face. Okay, we are going to clean out this oven. So this has been sitting for a while. I'm going to use just some paper towels. I'm going to put on some gloves. And then I have a bucket of hot water with Dawn dish soap and a very old cleaning rag, actually one of the ones I used today.
I want one that those stretch cheeses.
Okay.
I can get it.
Okay. Does anybody else want one or just you?
Just me.
Okay. Okay. You might have to
Can you open the door to me?
Yeah. You may have to get in care of somebody to help you with the package, okay?
I can open it.
Oh, okay. Kids are still in the pool, so he had to come in and get him a snack. I'm actually going to put my apron on because I think I'm going to be leaning and I'll probably get this shirt all kind of messy. So we're just going to put this older apron on. I actually just made a big order from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon Prime Day a lot of stuff for my master bathroom that I'm going to be kind of doing a makeover on. And I'll share a video with y'all on what all I got from there. But I got me the cutest apron as well. I've been needing a new one. And I've been wanting a different style. So I'm excited to try it. It's a linen one. And I'm really hopeful that it's going to be what I think it's going to be. Okay, I'm also going to bring my trash can over here because that way I can get the majority of the mess out with these paper towels and just start kind of dumping them in. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah, I would say this thing was dirty. So let's just see how clean we can get it. Golly, this is nasty. I wish I had SOS pads.
Probably should do mine before it gets too bad.
Yeah. Mine was horrible.
I don't know, that's something I neglect.
Me too.
I do not want to do it. Yours is old though. Too.
Yeah, mine is very old.
Hey, come here. You want to go swimming? You just found more stuff that me needs to play with.
Oh, God, I laid it out because Kara wanted to go through it, and yeah, I'm glad you're here. You can go through it
Oh,
too.
you're getting rid of all this?
Yes.
Oh, I want the chargers.
I knew you probably would.
What is this stoneware with these ridges?
Well, I got it at the Goodwill, and I don't really use it, so like I thought I would. So I don't know what it's originally.
I want that big cookie. Keep that.
What you doing, Coco?
Changing Abby.
No, I mean like you got off early.
Like, what are you doing today?
Like, what are you doing off? Not like right in a second. Okay, I might actually have to go get some more of this and spray this for a round 2. I don't know, we'll see. Let me, I did spray some like all-purpose cleaner on that to kind of see what it would do. We'll start, the edges are coming along pretty good. It's this stuff on the glass. Alright, let me start working on this inside the oven and see. Ugh. Okay, well it's coming off mostly, so we'll see. This was long overdue. Yeah, don't be like me. Don't wait this long.
Mommy brought y'all stuff, but I don't know where it's at.
There's snacks in here, Colton.
Where?
In this pantry right here, there's all kind of stuff in here. Okay, I do have to admit that it's better, but I feel like if I sprayed it again maybe in some of these areas, I could maybe get some more of like that hard stuck on stuff, like maybe there. I don't know, it might not come off, but I'm gonna try to spray it and let it sit where it's really, really thick in some spots. I've scrubbed it with Dawn and cleaner and everything else. I'm gonna try the oven cleaner, the one that was in the yellow can, and go clean the racks, and then after about an hour I'll come back and try to scrub this some more. Let's see if we can get it any more clean while I'm already in the process of cleaning this out. Y'all, that was disgusting. Like, I'm so ashamed of how dirty that was, but it's looking like 1,000 times better so far.
Kind of dusty.
That's gross. Okay, y'all, it still don't look perfect or brand new, but are you ready to see the difference that I made in this darn oven? I am stinking proud of myself. I am so proud. This was definitely a labor of love. Let me tell you, I came home and sprayed this thing again and used an SOS pad on it today. I left this open last night and let everything just sit, like all that cleaner sit again overnight on it. And then I took a little razor, a scraper, and got like some of the bigger chunks that just was not even coming off with an SOS pad. Again, like I said, it is not perfect. This is all stained just because this thing is old. But wow, what a difference some elbow grease makes. I am super happy to have this so clean, and I will definitely not wait that long again to clean my oven. I wanted to show y'all, I do normally have one of these in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off and slide this underneath there so it can help catch any grips. You can actually get these in a 2-pack at Walmart, and they definitely help with cleaning out your oven. So yeah, I'm gonna get that slid in there, And this project right here is done. Did want to share with y'all the beautiful new dishes that I got. I got 2 boxes of the Pioneer Woman Corelle dishes. Here's one box. I haven't opened it yet, but here is the other box. Look how beautiful the print is on these, y'all. I think that these are so gorgeous. I'm getting rid of my old ones just because it is time to freshen up my everyday dishes. And since we do pull for and grab the Corelle dishes more than anything, I wanted to get some more Corelle dishes. They're very thin. That's something my family really likes. Even though I have dishes all over my house and stacked up all over my house and hanging on my walls all over my house, they are just not the dishes that we grab for and eat off of on a daily basis. There are several that we'll use for special occasions and different things like that. So I just wanted to update my everyday dishes to this beautiful print here. And I was going to try to see what is the name of this print, in case this one is made by Corelle, made in the USA. But I'm assuming that it is the Pioneer Woman's design is what I would think. I was trying to find what this pattern is called. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it is called Evie Blue right there, if you're interested in looking it up yourself. They are gorgeous. So I'm going to get these in the dishwasher, get everything washed, cleaned up, and in the cabinet. So I am living proof that if your oven looks as terrible as mine did, that you can get it clean. Get you some cleaner, get you some SOS pads, and put some elbow grease into it and get the daggone thing done, y'all. I am so proud to have that behind me. Now we're just going to continue on with some more decluttering. So I'll see y'all back here tomorrow with another decluttering video.